Oh, could you share some tips for practicing rolled R's or double R's? Yeah, I mean, okay. From what I understand, the rolling R is like it's like this vibration of your tongue. I feel like it might be gross if I showed it, but it's like your tongue like vibrating. So usually your tongue is on the top on the roof of your mouth, right? It's like that. The rolling R's to me when I do it is like it's like the tip of my tongue reaches the front two teeth, and then it's just like almost blowing air in order to get a vibration. I remember in the language translator course, this was like a very small detail, but the guy who was learning had a very hard time learning the rolling R's. And what he did was that he found this word. He found the word for rice in Spanish was arroz, and it's an Arabic derivative word. It comes from Arabic, and he found that word, and when he said it, arroz, he just naturally like did the rolling R's, and so he would like that's how he'd learn the rolling R's. In my opinion, it's not that like it's useful, but like okay, if you want to say but like but like oh I want to do this but I'm scared, then it's perro, but dog is perro. You probably heard of that. Like those two, right? Perro, perro, perro. It's not as important as you might think. It's like it's important, yes, but it's like I think there are more high leverage things out there to focus on. But if you can't get it, there's no sweat. I think it's a thing that you sort of get better at. It's one of those higher level pronunciation things. I think the vowels matter way more. Getting the vowels down, then getting those sounds, like those specific sounds down later on. It's still important, of course, but it's vowels first, then stuff like the rolling R's.